Hi, I'm Enzo. I'm in my 26th year with the company. My experience has been very rewarding. It's been where I've had a chance to grow and expand on knowledge, just learning a lot of things that I would never have learned in other companies. We try and be ahead of the game so that way when processes are in place, the technology, the cars are here, we already have the equipment ready to repair that car and make sure that everything gets done and we're not left behind. So we have the latest software, latest technology, and latest equipment to do any type of repair. Well, we try and do a lot of team building training sessions, but we also have stuff going on in the shop, like friendly pools, like sports pools that people really enjoy doing. And there's a little prize at the end and everybody really loves that. We try and do barbecues, we do staff lunches, we've had bowling nights, we've had Christmas parties. So we try and do as much as we can that way.